Trying to install apps on Google TV but it just won't download? Sometimes a problem even happens at the end of the download where your installation gets cancelled at 99 or 80%. That usually happens because your storage is full or the Play Store or system cache is glitched. Let's fix it right now. Step 1. Check storage space. First up, go to your Google TV home menu. Navigate to the settings gear icon using your remote. Go to device preferences and system depending on your OS version. After that, select storage. Now, open internal shared storage. If storage is low, uninstall unused apps or clear old data. But if your storage is fine, you can try out these other solutions. Solution 2. Restart your TV from settings. From your home menu, go to settings, then device preferences. Scroll all the way down to restart. Now select it and confirm your choice. A restart from the setting usually fixes temporary glitches. Solution 3. Clear cache and data of the Google Play Store. Go to settings, then select apps. Go to see all apps. Find the Google Play Store from here and select it. Now select clear cache and confirm your choice. After that, select clear data and confirm your choice again. Do the same for Google Play services if it's listed. With this, your glitch on the Play Store will be fixed. And that's it. Most of the time, clearing the Play Store cache or freeing up space gets Google TV installing apps again. If this helps you out, then give this video a like, subscribe, and comment your model below if you want more help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.